Okay, today during math, we're going to be comparing by weight. Weight is how heavy or how light something is. First, we're going to watch a video.
Look at the scale. An apple is on one side and a cherry is on the other. Which fruit is heavier?
Okay, so this is a scale, and a scale helps you compare weight. So we have an apple on one side and a cherry on the other. Which fruit is heavier? When we look at the scale, we can tell which fruit is heavier by which side is lower. This side is lower, so the apple is heavier.
The apple is heavier. How do you know the apple is heavier than the cherry? The side with the apple is lower. Look, 2 apples are on the scale now. Which apple is heavier?
All right, so now we have 2 apples on the scale. And if we look, is one of the sides lower? No, both of the sides are the same or level. So neither apple is heavier, they are the same weight or equal weights.
Neither apple is heavier. They weigh the same. The weight of the first apple is equal to the weight of the second apple. How do you know they are equal? Neither side of the scale is down. The scale has a melon on it now. Which fruit is lighter?
Okay, so now we're trying to figure out which fruit is lighter. So we're not trying to figure out which fruit is heavier. We want to figure out which fruit is lighter. So the lighter side of the scale will be higher. Which side of the scale is higher? That's right, the apple is higher. So the apple is the fruit that is lighter.
The apple is lighter. How do you know the apple is lighter? The side with the apple is higher. Which fruit is heavier? The melon is heavier. How do you know?
Let's try it.
Compare the fruits by weight by moving them onto the scales.
Okay, so let's look at the first picture. In the first picture, we have an apple, and the apple is lower. So we need to find a fruit that is lighter than the apple because it will be higher on the scale. So which fruit is lighter? I think the cherry is lighter. In this picture, the scale is level or the same. So we need a fruit that is the same weight as an apple. We can choose another apple. Same weight. And in the last scale, the melon is heavier because it's lower. So we need to put a fruit on the high part of the scale that is lighter. We could choose the apple or the cherry. Let's choose the cherry because the cherry is definitely lighter. Great job.
The side with the melon is down.
Now you know how to use a scale to tell which objects are heavier and which are lighter.
Great job. So today when you're doing your classwork, you'll be comparing by weight, which objects are lighter or which objects are heavier. If you have any questions or comments or need any assistance while you're completing your classwork, please feel free to reach out to your teacher.